Today, I will bring to you a woke potato harvest. Who am I, you may ask? I am now a woke man. A woke man from the stars. A woke man of the stars. A woke star man. Now, from a location in a galaxy far, far away, we will use mind speed to travel to San Francisco, California, capital of the woke country of the United States. Here we go. Watch closely as I use mind speed. Here we go. Here we go. Here we are at Darkside Garden. Let's look at the potato harvest. Look at this potato harvest. We got red, pink, white, yellow, green, brown, purple, and black. All colors of the rainbow. What do you need for planting a woke garden? Seeds of deceit, lies, and fertilizing with poop from social media tech giants and mainstream news. Don't forget the secret sauce. And using critical potato theory, we can grow this woke potatoes. What do we do with these woke potatoes? We are going to boil the live, crush them, smash them, mash them, pour salt on their wounds, and then we eat them. They will pass through our digestive system and out to the toilet, where woke belongs. Now, have you awoken yet?